Hey, what's up guys, Inca Jeep here, and in this video we're going to check out my overlanding trip back in January of 2020 to Florida. I host a overlanding adventure on Airbnb and I met some really cool people in Florida, so I did kind of like a reunion thing. Some buddies from Tennessee joined. Right now we got the coronavirus going on, so I had some time to edit this and it's really just goofing around. There was no real plan to this trip and I hope you guys like it. Don't follow what I did. Absolutely do not follow what I did. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at Inca4x4, Facebook Inca Jeep, and my website incajeep.com.
Look at speeding tickets.
What's up guys, Inca Jeep 4x4 here with Blake munching on something. And this video is going to be on what you need for overlanding. Right, Blake?
What you need for overlanding
is a scuttle, right, Brent?
Yeah.
Pretty much. Hey, Brent. What are you doing?
You want one?
No, I'm good. Where are we going? Mexico?
Yeah.
We're going to Trabajo. No, anyway, we're overlanding to Florida for a week. That's the game plan, and pretty much, yeah, that's it. What's a top 3 things you would say you need for overlanding?
A cooler, a stove, and a tent.
Like a rooftop tent, or just like any kind?
Rooftop.
Then you can sleep in the bed, if that's the case.
Okay. Well, no, this is like the fastest set.
That's overland.
The fastest
On a budget.
ground tent. Rooftop tent, yeah. What about you, Brent? What's like your top 3?
A partner stove, a CVT tent,
A Patagonia jacket.
and a Dometic refrigerator.
The refrigerator, honestly, is not.
A refrigerator, yeah.
The fridge makes it really nice
Did
because
you just kick a dog on camera? You're a sicko.
the fridge makes it nice because you don't have to deal with all that damn sloshing ass ice. So I'm definitely
Team Dometic.
really a fan of the fridge.
My wife's team Yeti. She's got a little roadie.
What did she give you?
Don't you be talking about my wife.
My eyes.
This is our fire. This is a Land Cruiser. This is a Jeep. That's the sports track.
Oh, sports track.
That's a tank.
That is a...
Sport track?
That's the new Ford Ranger.
Sure.
FX4.
That's our fire.
Raptor edition.
This is day 1 of a week-long trip with this guy. Follow him at Blake ST. I think, yeah.
No, that was not right.
What is it? Blake.st.
BlakeJ.st, bro.
If you want to check out the Ford build. And
Check
follow
it out.
follow Brent at Overland_Yodas. If you want to follow the Land Cruiser build. He'll pay $1,000 for anything.
Oh, man.
That Cummins diesel.
What are you coming in?
Decent.
Was it reliable? Wait,
Yeah.
they put a Cummins diesel in the Cherokees back then.
No, he had a truck.
Yeah,
that
a
he
truck.
towed his Jeep with.
Oh, so that's not. So that's not really like overlanding.
No, that's if I want to do real rough stuff. You know, like Windrock or Telecoat, places like that.
What's
There's a good
the
chance
first time you went to Windrock?
Went to Windrock? Probably.
In the what, like the 80s, 90s,
No.
70s?
Brent wasn't alive in the 70s.
I wasn't alive in the 70s. Get that shit off.
What about you, Brent or Blake?
I was born in 2002.
How did you get into overlanding?
How did
I know you had that Explorer.
Well, my parents funded me. They said I had $100,000 budget, and
Holy
to
shit.
buy whatever car I wanted and any gear that I wanted to outfit it with. So I decided to buy a brand new Ford Ranger FX4 model, and I threw on these 42-inch BF Goodrich Cam 3s. Got a camper top for it, got it color matched. And then I put a 5-liter Coyote in it because I wasn't a big fan of that little 4-cylinder.
So we're getting firewood. Brent working on fire. Land Cruiser, Gladiator, and then old floppy. What is he working on?
God damn, God. Woo, got it. That must be the
Morning, day 2. Blake didn't charge, not a damn thing.
charging slow due to low temperature.
Damn. And the bear is awake. You guys would not believe the noises this man makes. Maybe I'll capture it sooner or later.
Creep down it.
He should take the right route, not the left.
That one wheelbase is nice for stuff like this, you know?
Yeah, it makes climbing a lot easier.
Nice. Wow, we would hit bad right there, you know it?
Mm-hmm.
Told you that shit was slick, man. Yeah, he's gonna have to give it a little.
Yeah, sport casual, not that.
No. I told you, man.
There's a reason I didn't do this last time.
He might have to winch up this. He's gonna have to give it a little bit more,
You're gonna have to, like,
get,
bump it.
you're gonna have to hit it with a little bit of, you know.
No, you didn't have to pull down that far.
Just go, man. Whoa!
Passenger!
Nah, dude, he ain't. This shit's all caked up.
You don't have your axles locked.
Yeah, he does.
No, he doesn't.
They're all 4-pulling.
No, they're not. But they're not going at the same rate.
Dude, just back completely up. You're just digging a hole. You're making it worse than it is.
Yeah, you gotta lock them.
To me, it looked like they were all pulling.
No, they weren't. This wheel was
Really?
spinning that a little bit.
Back it up and hit it straight on.
Driver. Alright, now.
Back up.
Passenger.
No, back on up.
No.
And then cut it this way.
Damn, no.
Yeah, he's gonna have to hit a little bit of like speed if he's gonna climb up it. Back up.
You can't hit it with speed right there.
Just
Pull
a,
up. Lock your gears, pull up a foot, and then gas it really hard. Are you still recording?
yeah.
Press that red button and start it. Press it. I don't know why you're stuck now. You should be able to make it.
Yeah. It's not getting each.
Yeah. Don't have enough traction on the tires.
I know.
Like they're like slicks.
Yeah. Those lockers don't even do anything when it's like that. Yeah, that passenger should be pulling.
Yeah, it's not locked.
Yeah. Dude, if you can lock that thing, it'll do it.
That's a lock. Yeah, you're gonna have to winch out, man.
Well, if it's locked now.
Hey, yeah, but this will walk. You think it's about 6 hours?
Shit, we're so fucked. It's like 5 hours.
Yeah, we should definitely get on.
So,
I'd go ahead and eat if I were you.
yeah, no, my food's almost there. Yeah.